Namaste, children. Children, in last class, we have discussed, we have learned perimeter. So, what is meant by perimeter? What are the two-dimensional figures we can find the perimeter? So, first one, perimeter of the triangle. Next one, perimeter of the square, and then perimeter of the rectangle. So, three concepts yesterday in the previous classes we have discussed. Okay, so now today, so another one concept you have already learned, that is area. That is area. So what is meant by area? So which type of figures, shapes we can find the area? Okay, so now look at the board. So board has, I have written some points. Okay, so first we have to learn these points. Okay, first we can read and then discuss what is meant by area. So we can, which type, which area we can find, which area. So it is how to find out the area. Okay, then we can look at the board. Okay, so area means what? Area is the measurement of region enclosed by a plane figure. Plane figure means two-dimensional figures. Plane figure. So enclosed means ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, empty space reason enclosed by a plane figure. ಒಂದು plane figure ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, so it is a reason. So, okay, so this is a, so I will write one, this is a A4 sheet paper. So I have one complete one, draw the surface, draw the surface. Okay, draw the surface. Okay, so this is a A4 sheet paper size. So it is a, so how many, so it is a enclosed figure. Okay, reason enclosed by a plane figure, so that is called area of the figure. So this is the area of the figure. Guruji, last time ಎಲ್ಲ perimeter ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ವಿ. So it is the perimeter. So length of the perimeter side. So now we have to go for inner the surface. Inner surface has to be find out. That is called as area. Okay, so area is always measured in squares. Always measured in squares. So in you have to listen the words in the uh, some of the places we have purchased the site. So okay, square centimeter, square feet, 1 square feet. Okay, so this type of words we have to listen. Okay, already here. So using that the using the points, so look at that area is what. So what is a square centimeter, what is a square feet, how much 1 square feet, how much that is. So square, that is called as area. So, okay, area is always measured in squares, always in measured in squares. And the unit of the area, and the unit of the area is square units. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಡಿಸಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಓಕೆ, okay, so here how many squares are in enclosed in the closed figure, in the plane figure. Is plane figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. This is called as area. So it is covered in two sides. So length and breadth also we have covered, or in the square the four sides are already covered. So in the triangle, upside and downside. So two sides it is covered. Keep in the mind, two sides it is covered. So upside and length and breadth having covered. So how many squares are there? So in the 4 into 4. Totally how much? 16. Totally 16 boxes. Here 4 and then here 4. 4 into 4. Totally how many? 8, 4, 8, 12, 16. Totally 16 boxes, 16 squares we are enclosed in this figure. This is called as area. Okay, area is always measured in squares, always measured in squares. The unit of the area is square unit, is very important. This is a very important concept. Square is square units. Next, area is two dimensional, two dimensions, so only two sides having. So it is rectangle, length and breadth. So and then we can consider that is called a two dimensional figures. 2D shapes figures which are there: circle, oval, triangle, square. So these are the two dimensional figures. So these two dimensional figures we can only find area or having only sides, only sides. Next, so two dimensional, to find the area of the any surface you need to know two sides. Now area na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾದರೂ two sides ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. We had find out the two sides. Keep in the mind, to find the area of any surface ಯಾವ್ದೋ surface ಇರಲಿ, we can find out the area. You need to know two sides. ಏನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ two sides ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ we can find out the area. Keep in the mind. Okay, so that is called as area. ನೀವು ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್. ಇದು ಟೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ cylindrical, or it is round shape, or it is circle, or it is triangle, or it is square, or it is rectangle. So any surface you need to know, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವವು. You need to know two sides, know the two sides. Okay, so that is called as area. So find out the area. So now then I have written some of the units. Okay, so look at that. Your side is millimeter, millimeter in your we can find. So that is area is what? Square millimeter, square millimeter. Then your area, so your length is centimeter. So length and breadth are given, or in the square having one side is only centimeter given, we can find the area. So we, the answer is writing square centimeter. Keep in the mind. Next, your so your length has to be given meter, the answer is square meter. Then your given the given length is kilometer, the answer is square kilometer. So this is a very very important concept. Okay, I hope all of you understand the square, or if you understand the area. Okay, you know the formula of in the previous classes 4 standard you have already learned, which is the area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? So rectangle having length and breadth, length into breadth, length into breadth. This is the formula of area of the rectangle. Next, so we can find out another one, area of the square, area of the square. So what is your formula? So area of the square, square having four sides is there. So we need to know two sides. We need to know two sides. Okay, first side. So we can take another side, same side, same side. So it is has to be side. So we get area of the square. These are the formula for area of the rectangle and area of the square. Okay. So so what I'm writing in the board, you have to write in the CW. Okay. Then so so look at that. So we can find out the when, so 1 meter equal to, so no, okay, so conversion table you don't know. So I will go for the some of the main points, some of the main points we have to taken. Okay, so just now painting cost, tiling cost, so some of the questions we have to asking, so some of the points I have written. So just now, okay students, now some of the points I have written in the board. Okay, just look at the board. Find the cost of the painting or tiling. Cost of the painting or tiling. What is the So this type of questions will be asking. Okay, so I will tell that what will be the labor charge for tiling. What will be the labor charge of the tiling a hall 222-meter long and 17-meter wide. Wide means breadth. I already tell the one example at the rate of 8 rupees per square meter. Okay, so this is a question. So question will be asking for what will be the labor charge? Labor charge for tiling a hall 22-meter long and 17-meter wide. Wide means breadth, and at the rate of 8 rupees per square meter. 8 rupees per square meter. This is the question. Okay, so we can find out the cost. What will be the cost? We'll be asking the cost of the painting or tiling. So he's asking for the painting or tiling. So this type of questions. So first to find the cost, to find out the cost, what we do first, find the area of the tiling for hall, tiling of the hall first we have to find it. Next multiply, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, multiply ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, multiply it the cost per square unit, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು area. Then first find out the area. If it is square is there, side into side. If it is rectangle, length into breadth. Next into cost per square unit. So this is the first point. Okay, second point I will go to find the number of bricks, to find the number of bricks or tiles, number of bricks or tiles. Okay, I will tell that okay, so the question is there, eighth one question, how many bricks are there required to build a wall of the height, build a wall of the height is 2.8288 meter and width is 50 centimeter, and if the length of the brick is 12 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. This is the question. How many bricks are there? Find out the number of bricks. So question is that for to find the number of bricks or tiles, itar questions keladaga number of bricks or tiles equals. So first to area of the wall or area of the path and then area of the brick. ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So keep in this mind, these are the points has to be right in the CW. One or two times you have to written. So square to one times you have to write in the HW also. So what I am writing in the board today's formulas, you have to write in the one time, write in the HW. So board, then write in the HW. So I hope all of you understand the concept area. So tomorrow I have solved some problems. I have solved the problems. Okay. So anybody understand the concept, you have to solve. Okay. Now, so you are now today area concept already you have to learn. Now today already learn for the area. Okay. You have to watch the video and learn more to your knowledge. Then our students, thank you so much.